Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make floral letters using 3D paper flowers. I used a total of 80 small flowers and the size of each flower is 4.5 inches in Design Space. If you want to learn how to make flowers using Cricut Design Space app and roll them using an electric drill, I have a step-by-step tutorial on this. I put the link in my description box. I used a wooden letter on this one. I put all the materials that I used in my description box. So let's get started! So I have a total of 80 templates of flowers. So I'm going to roll my flowers using an electric drill. Again, I have a tutorial on this. The link is in my description box. I will trace the wooden letter against the 12 by 12 cardstock. Since the wood is bigger than the cardstock, I'm going to use the excess cardstock and tape it at the bottom to cover the uncovered wood as shown in the video. Also, make sure that your letter is flipped over or mirrored because we're tracing it against the back of the glittered cardstock. It doesn't have to be a good clean cut because we're going to put it under the flowers. I used a good amount of hot glue. Now it's time to glue our flowers. there we have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Says. Thanks for watching!